Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am reviewing the Maybelline Superstay Longwear foundation. So if you guys are interested in hearing my thoughts and feedback on this foundation, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so my eyes are already done and this is the foundation that we're going to be talking about today. It is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation and this is what it looks like. I did get the shade 360 Mocha just because in their Fit Me foundation I am a 360 Mocha, and the bottles are same size, and they're 1 ounces each, so you get as much foundation as you do in the Fit Me foundation. The only difference that I'm noticing so far from the Fit Me is, ooh, it got a pump. Okay, I was about to say the white top, but then it also has a pump, so clearly Maybelline has been listening to us for the longest. Everybody's only complaint about the Fit Me foundation was the fact that it doesn't have a pump, and they have finally listened to us and added a pump here. So the claims that this foundation makes is that it's supposed to be full coverage, and we're going to test that out, and I'm a good candidate for that test because as you can see I have acne scarring, so we're going to see if it covers my scarring. And then it's supposed to be up to 24-hour wear. I'm not wearing a foundation for 24 hours. So it's supposed to have a seamless matte finish. And I'm an oily girl, so I'll be the judge of that. It's supposed to be breathable, comfortable, oil-free, doesn't clog pores, all that fun stuff that everyone always says. So we're going to test this out today and see how I like it. I'm going to start with, Jesus Christ. Why, Amanda? Leave it to you to make a mess of the freaking white. Don't put me in white and I don't go together. I made a mess already. But anyway, it's not as thick as I thought it would be for a full coverage foundation. I guess I'm judging it based on the LA Colors foundation, how thick that was. And I also did a review on that I will link in the description box as well. But that foundation was super thick. This one is not as thick. It's definitely not runny either. I don't think one pump will do, so I'm going to add another one and stop there. Okay. This is definitely full coverage. You guys can see my scarring going bye-bye. Definitely full coverage. I'm not shocked because when it comes to Maybelline and their foundations, I've had high expectations from using the Fit Me foundation. I am feeling like this is an upgrade to the Fit Me because for me the Fit Me is not full coverage. It's kind of medium to full coverage, where it gives me medium coverage at first and then I have to build it up to full coverage. But this is just full coverage right off the bat. The consistency is the same as the Fit Me foundation. It looks the same. It matches me well as my 360 Mocha in the Fit Me. So yeah. The only major difference is this is like full coverage right away, and I'm not mad at it because on some days I just want to be full coverage and that's it. I don't want to be medium coverage and then I have to build it up. Ooh, why am I looking orange? This is gonna, I hope it does, because the 360 and the Fit Me oxidizes to my actual skin tone. My neck's always been darker than the rest of my body, that's a given. But yeah, the 360 and the Fit Me foundation always oxidizes to my skin tone, so I'm hoping that this does that as well. Because on the monitor I'm looking real orange. I'm not sure if it's because the light's just hitting me, but 2 pumps is all it took me and that's it. We're fully covered. Scars completely gone. Well, okay, Maybelline. Definitely the lighting. Pardon my lights. Hold on. Let me try to fix this. Okay, I feel like this looks a little bit better Okay, this is giving me a nice flawless finish. It's definitely matte. I feel like this is the Fit Me foundation. They just give it a little bit more coverage. So anyway, I am going to finish up my face and I will be back. I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I feel like I should just go in with a bunch of Maybelline products since we're talking about them a lot today. To set the rest of my face, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Dark. For blush, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Deep Wine. Highlight, I'm taking my Physicians Formula Sunset Bronzer Strip and I'm just going to put this brush on. Okay, so for the lips, I want to keep it really natural, but first I'm going to moisturize. Wet n Wild Color Icon Lip Pencil in the shade Chestnut. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Matte Lipstick in the shade 560 Raw Chocolate. I'm not a big fan of glosses, but I feel like I want to put this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Ginger Snap over top of this. And we're done. Okay guys, so my final thoughts on this foundation is that it is definitely full coverage. I feel like this is just an upgrade of the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. The only difference I find between the two is that this is full coverage right off the bat, whereas the Fit Me is more medium to full coverage. This is also very matte. Whatever shade you are in the Fit Me foundation, it is the same match for the Superstay Longwear foundation. I am a 360 Mocha in the Fit Me foundation. I am also 360 Mocha in the Superstay Longwear. This one has a pump. It is supposed to be longer lasting than this one, so I think Maybelline has listened to our request, especially for the pump, because a lot of people love the Fit Me foundation and the only complaint was that it didn't have a pump. So they definitely listened to us and improved on the things that we were requesting, so I absolutely love that. I love when brands listen to their consumers. So thumbs up to Maybelline for another amazing foundation. Okay guys, so it has been about 3 or 4 hours and this is what the foundation looks like. It is set. It's not oily. I didn't have to blot or touch up. and yeah, I'm liking it so far. The Fit Me foundation would have definitely started to get a little bit oily after 4 hours, so this is definitely the upgrade to the Fit Me foundation. I am gonna still have this foundation on for a little bit longer because I'm gonna go get my hair done. I'll put on the screen the exact time that I was able to stay with the foundation without touching it up. I wasn't able to do a wear test the other night when I filmed the actual video because I had to take the makeup off right afterwards, but since I am wearing it again today, I figured I'd just come on here and let you guys know how it's holding up throughout the day. So yeah, that is it, you guys. That is my final thoughts on this foundation. If you enjoyed this review, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.